Welcome everybody to our 5 Steps to Launch webinar today. I hope that you'll find it very informative. This webinar today is designed to help you know the basics on getting set up with LinkTrust. In order to know the basics to get set up with LinkTrust, it's helpful to have some background information. So what we've done is today we're going to go through the understanding of basic pixel tracking really fast. With this understanding, we'll then be able to do the 5 steps to launch. The first part of basic pixel tracking is to have an affiliate and as if you are the merchant or the advertiser. Step 1 is to give your LinkTrust tracking URL and creatives to your affiliates. Then step 2 is to ask them, do they have a confirmation pixel for their own tracking system? Step 3 is if they have an affiliate pixel to be placed, get that affiliate pixel and place it into LinkTrust inside of their affiliate details. The fourth step is to take the confirmation pixel that LinkTrust generates and place it on the confirmation page. Now that this portion is set up, we can start generating traffic. The affiliate is then going to take your tracking link, place it in their system, and possibly create new affiliate tracking links from their own platform and promote them out to customers. When the customers like the offer or banner creative that they've seen, they'll click on it. This will automatically redirect them to the affiliate, which then redirects them to LinkTrust and drops a cookie on the consumer's machine. LinkTrust will then redirect them to the landing page, again dropping a LinkTrust cookie on the consumer's machine. The next portion almost doesn't matter for LinkTrust. The process at which a consumer will eventually land on the confirmation page can be very vast and have many varieties. Once the consumer does land on the confirmation page, as you can see, the LinkTrust confirmation pixel is placed on that page. When it fires, it will then find the LinkTrust cookie, consume it, and report back to LinkTrust. Now that this transaction has been successfully recorded in LinkTrust, LinkTrust knows who generated that transaction or which consumer was brought to that offer. Therefore, LinkTrust can now take the affiliate's confirmation pixel and pull it down to the confirmation page. Once the affiliate's confirmation pixel fires, it then locates the affiliate's cookie, consumes it, and reports back to their system. The basic mathematical format of this transaction is pretty simple. Generally, the tracking URL will drop the cookie. That cookie plus the confirmation pixel will equal a transaction in the system. So now with this basic understanding, we can now go into LinkTrust and view the 5 basic steps on getting started. The first one is there are 2 domains that are most important that have been set up in your account. One is your affiliate center domain, which your affiliates will be able to use to either sign up and become an affiliate or log in to get their stats, creatives, and tracking links. The next one that we go over is the tracking link. This tracking link will have added parameters in order for LinkTrust to be able to track appropriately. With those 2 set up, we can now go into the account section. In the account section, each user will definitely want to have their own user account. When setting up the permissions for a user account, anyone that is outward-facing to affiliates, it's important to put the proper information under the account information section. This information can be pulled into the affiliate center, allowing affiliates to know who they're working with. Also down at the bottom, it's important to set the appropriate permissions. Keep in mind that each permissions that have been set are unique to this user account. You can use our templates to get started and customize as needed. Now that the user accounts have been set up, it's important to do some customization. The first part is the email templates. LinkTrust has 9 different email templates that will fire based on an event that occurs in the system. For instance, application submitted is when an application has been submitted into the system. LinkTrust knows who that affiliate is and then will send out this email. All of these email templates are customizable. You can use our WYSIWYG or select the source button to customize the HTML. In addition to this customization, you'll also have tokens that are available. A token is a static placeholder for dynamic information. There's a list of tokens for each of these templates. Select the Tokens button, and it'll open up our in-system support documentation. Each template is clearly defined with the tokens that are available for that template. When setting up a quick account, it's important to, at minimum, modify your application submitted, approved, and denied, and your send creatives. Doing the send creatives template will allow you to send creatives quickly to affiliates with a standardized form. The next area of customization that we talk about is the Affiliate Center. Under the Affiliate Center, you can customize what payment methods you wish to use for affiliates to be able to appropriately pick when they sign up using your affiliate account. But the most important part is the page customization here at the bottom. Here you can customize the style sheets, terms and conditions, your header, menu, homepage, and footer. All of this is fully functional by selecting each of these plus signs and opening up and modifying the code from within. Currently, LinkTrust has 8 different templates that you can use to customize this. When selecting the Tokens button, it'll open up again our in-system support documentation. If you wish to customize LinkTrust's Affiliate Center to your own source and liking, you can use any of these codes or tokens in that code. At the bottom, you'll see Affiliate Center templates. When selecting on the template library, you can see we have 8 different templates. Currently, I have template number 1 installed, but I may have a company that has the design more appropriate to this template. So, in order to apply any of these templates, it's simple. Download the file and take the code and copy and paste it into the appropriate section. Now that we've customized the emails and the Affiliate Center, let's go in and build a campaign. Selecting campaigns from the top menu bar, creating a campaign is very simple. From the left menu, selecting Create a Campaign, simply put in the appropriate information, the campaign name, a category, and even though these are system-generated categories, you can create your own categories. Select the status. Testing is pretty self-explanatory. Public Live and Private Live almost do the exact same thing. The Public Live and Private Live give the affiliate the ability to get the creatives and reporting and their tracking link, but a Public Live offer allows affiliates to see it in the Affiliate Center and request to run that offer, where a Private Live is hidden. You get to decide who runs that offer. A pause campaign is one that is getting ready to expire or there may be problems. It still allows traffic to go through as normal. However, it doesn't allow the affiliate to get new tracking links or new creatives. And a dead campaign is basically a campaign that you would like to soft delete, hide it from everyone's view. Placing the landing page URL, selecting the conversion type. Generally, most people select JavaScript when it's cookie-based tracking, and they select server-side when it's more of a delayed reporting or an app recording like a mobile phone. You can also place in your revenue that you're earning per transaction and your default affiliate payout. Once you've created a campaign, you'll now be redirected to a page of all the details. Again, you can customize all those different aspects. But now that these are selected, the default settings for a campaign looks just like this right here on this side. These default settings will be sufficient for any cookie-based tracking. This helps you to get set up quickly so that you can start running traffic quickly. Now that the campaign has its basic setup completed, there are a few filters that you can apply. You can apply whether or not you want to track uniques or duplicates when it comes to impressions or clicks. And you can come in here and select the geo-targeting. This offer is selected for the United States only. Any unauthorized countries that use a tracking link that's coming to this campaign, I can redirect their traffic to somewhere else. Also, to get started quickly, we just want to cover the last part on a campaign, which is called the conversion fraud controls. These conversion fraud controls do not affect the way traffic is going with the consumer from the landing page to the confirmation page. the information that LinkTrust captures through that process has the ability to then unapprove a transaction based on the event that occurs on each line. Now that the campaign is going quickly, as we're setting it up, we want to look at a helpful tool that allows you to get tracking links quickly, and that is called the link generator. The link generator is designed to allow you to get tracking links, confirmation pixels, or an impression pixel very quickly. Two items must be selected in order to create a tracking link, the campaign and an affiliate. Once the campaign and affiliate have been selected, I can identify a creative that I wish to run with this, and if I wish, I can even put a sub-ID or a note for my affiliate to place a sub-ID. These are additional information that you may need in order to conduct transferring data from your affiliate to you. Selecting Generate a Link opens up three pieces of code. The first one is your impression pixel. Each of your creatives will automatically have an impression pixel placed, so you most likely won't need this in this interface. But if you do, LinkTrust did generate it. The last one is your confirmation pixel. Ideally, during the setup, this has already been placed and tested on the confirmation pixel. So again, you can avoid you don't have to use this one. The middle one is your tracking link. This is the most important link that is needed for your affiliate. As you can see, it's got your campaign ID, so LinkTrust knows where to direct the traffic. It's also got the affiliate's ID, therefore giving the credit to which affiliates that's bringing that traffic to you. It has the AD or Ad ID. This is the creative ID, so you can do creative performance. And it also has placed the note, put your sub-ID here, allowing affiliates to place the sub-ID that's appropriate. I can now copy this out, place it in my email client, and send it to my affiliate. Or I can use the Generate Emails format. This, knowing that I have logged in, wants to send it from me, and will automatically send it to the affiliate that is listed in that affiliate account. If I don't wish to send the impression pixel, I can modify this email template and hit Send Email, and it'll send it to my affiliate. In addition to creating tracking links, you can also create a QR code. As you can see, a QR code can be scanned by a smartphone. 25% of this can be smudged or damaged, and still allow the smartphone to be redirected to this tracking link. There's a variety of reasons why people use these. If you need more information on that, please contact support@linktrust.com. Now that we've gone through the link generator, it's important to get this campaign set up for your affiliates. So under the affiliate settings, it's important to put in an outward-facing title, a description, special instructions, and if you have a logo, ideally a 75 by 30, you can either place a URL that points to that logo or upload it into the system. This really polishes off the affiliate center. You can put any type of email settings that you may have, your suppression files, subject lines, from lines. And you can categorize your offers so that when they show up in the affiliate center, it's very easy to search and find the offers that they wish. There's a few automatic campaign assignments that you will want to evaluate. Currently, by default, none of these are checked. If I was to leave both of these unchecked, my affiliate, when in the affiliate center, will be able to see the offer as long as it's public live, and they can request the offer, and then it'll require me to approve them to run that offer. If that's not fast enough, you may want to allow your affiliates to still request the offer, but by checking the bottom box, this will automatically assign any offer to the affiliate when they request it, so they don't have to wait for you to approve that offer for them to run. If you have a small core group of offers that you want every affiliate to have, you may want to just uncheck this box and check the top one. For every new affiliate that logs into the system or that signs up and you approve to the system, they will automatically have this offer to run in their affiliate account. They don't have to request it and you don't have to approve it because you've pre-approved it using this checkbox feature. If you create a brand new campaign and you want every affiliate to have it, definitely check this box for every new affiliate. But then, once you've checked that box, it's important to come to the Mass Action feature. Selecting the Mass Action feature allows you to select all affiliates, already has the campaign assigned, and you can then assign it to all affiliates for any affiliates that have been in your pool previous to the creation of this campaign. Once these settings are set up, it's important to then add your creatives. We generally add 3 creatives during training. I'll go over those 3 creatives. The first one is sending up a text creative. Simply just label the creative or whatever you wish it to be, identify the type, and you can then go and put in the notes. It's important to note that when you're applying a tracking URL, I can go back into the system and grab the longer URL with the campaign ID, the affiliate ID, and the AD ID, and list it right here with the appropriate tokens. But LinkTrust has made it much simpler. If I'd like my tracking link to be right here in this location, simply select the tokens, opening up our in-system support documentation, copy out the tracking URL token. Placing it anywhere I wish will automatically allow LinkTrust to identify what that is and place the appropriate tracking link for the appropriate affiliate in the affiliate's account. And then, of course, select Update. Doing a simple banner is even simpler. Selecting editing of this creative will give us the makeup of this creative. Again, select the name, the banner type, and the size, and then you will definitely want to host that image, and once that image is hosted, you can take that URL that points to that image, simply place it in the image URL area here, select Update. LinkTrust will apply an impression pixel and the tracking link to inside of the HTML code for your affiliates. The last one that we go through is the HTML creative. So I'm going to select the edit of this creative. By selecting that, I can again name it, selecting HTML, and dumping the code for the HTML here inside of this open text box. I now need to change the href, which is the redirect of the HTML code, so that when a consumer clicks on this banner, it will then redirect through LinkTrust and to the confirmation pixel. In order to do this simply, I can then select this checkbox, replacing all my href links with my tracking token. This allows me to then have LinkTrust do a search and replace of all hrefs to the tracking link, which is important for tracking. Keep in mind that when using this feature, your href for your unsubscribe is also going to be changed. It's important to copy this out beforehand and then replace it with the correct unsubscribed URL to remain CAN-SPAM compliant. Now that we've got the campaign built into the system, some basic creatives and basic filtering done, it's important to now get the affiliates created into LinkTrust so we can get their tracking links as soon as possible. Selecting affiliates from the top menu bar, on the left menu bar you'll see Create Affiliates. LinkTrust needs only 4 pieces of information to create an affiliate: the company name, first name, last name, and email address. Applying a password is also helpful. You can also apply certain settings to this affiliate. For instance, the group that you'd like to put the affiliate in, or who the primary manager of that affiliate would be. If you know that they're part of a network or what type of traffic that they can run, then it's important to select those here as well. Then when creating an affiliate account, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that looks just like this. You can always go back and complete the demographic information for an affiliate. You can place notes for an affiliate. You can change the primary manager if needed. It's important to note that the primary manager information, their user account, is what is going to be showed in the affiliate center using tokens. You can also, now that we've created this account, we want to get this affiliate authorized to run this offer. You can select Add Campaigns, which then gives them the list of campaigns that are available for this offer. If I want this affiliate to run Awesome Auto Loans, I can simply select the green plus sign. Now that I've selected it, I can go to the campaigns listing, and in the campaigns listing, I can see all the campaigns that this affiliate is assigned to run. If I want to modify their payout, I can then select either the checkbox and modify it here, or I can select the Edit Payout button and actually edit a little bit more than just the payouts, the default payout. I can edit a payout of revenue coming from merchants, a payout based on a sub-ID, and I can block traffic based on a sub-ID. If my affiliate has a confirmation pixel and they would like me to place it for that offer, I can, while I'm here inside of that affiliate's account, I can go all the way to the right side under the pixel placed. Selecting the link of none tells me that currently there is no pixel placed. If they sent me a JavaScript one, I'll select the JavaScript radio button. LinkTrust already puts the code in for me. All I have to do is simply take the URL out of their JavaScript and place it right here. There are a variety of tokens that can be used to pass information on their confirmation pixel. These you can use to pass data back to the affiliate based on the information that you have in the system or captured from the merchant or captured from the initial click and you wish to send that information back. You also have the ability with this open text box for advanced use for placing multiple pixels for an affiliate. Now that we've placed the pixels, we've given approval for the affiliate to run this offer, we want to make sure that we can send the creatives of this campaign to that affiliate. The simplest way is, now that I'm already logged in to this affiliate's account, for each campaign that's listed here, you have an icon. For each of these icons that say Send Creatives, I can quickly just click on that icon and it'll use the Send Creatives template and send all the information needed for that affiliate to run this offer. If I have multiple affiliates that are in the system and I have just built a brand new offer and I want all of my affiliates to be able to get information about that offer, it's important to use what's called the Send a Message feature. Underneath the Affiliates tab, look on the left menu bar to Send a Message. By selecting Send a Message, LinkTrust assumes that I want to send that message. With advanced permissions, I can send it on someone else's behalf. I then can select my recipients. I want to do all the affiliates for a certain area, I can do so. For instance, I want to do all the affiliates. I can put in the subject line, I can put in my body, whether it's HTML or simple text. In addition, I can make this customizable to the affiliate so it doesn't look like a canned letter. I can select the Tokens button that opens up the in-system support documentation, giving you all the tokens that are available to use in these templates. When selecting a send message and referencing it to a specific campaign, you can then use additional tokens as well. Excuse me. When sending a message, it's ideal to send a test email to somebody that is a peer so you can evaluate the professionalism. When you're satisfied with the email and ready to send it, of course, use the send message and your email has been sent off to them. Now that we've sent the message, we've created the campaign, we're all ready. Now we want to evaluate performance. Selecting Reports from the top menu bar opens up the performance details. LinkTrust has two main reports that the majority of our partners enjoy. The reason they enjoy it is because these 4 reports and this report are all embedded in the campaign performance and the affiliate performance report. These 2 reports are pretty much identical except that they are flip-flop, meaning that the information you're looking for, you'll be able to actively get to that very quickly by coming in from one end or the other. When selecting the campaign performance report, it automatically lists the campaigns that are running in the system. So this Easy Debt Busters, I want to know how many conversions this Easy Debt Busters had in conjunction with my affiliates. I can select my plus sign, which then opens up 2 affiliates, Cool Ads and Traffic Dragnet. These 2 affiliates with their prospective traffic is listed below. At any time, I can use any of these icons to know what traffic is occurring based on a sub-ID. For instance, this traffic came from MSN, this one came from Yahoo. When selecting the reports and going to the affiliate performance report, it now lists the affiliates on top, and I can then come through and select the plus sign, and it'll list out the campaigns that are listed below. At any time that you wish to dig down deeper to the transaction details, you can select any of these linked numbers within the reports. This opens up the transaction details and will give you the history in detail of what this transaction occurred. I can find out how the payouts and the revenue were applied. I can look over here and see the conversion and the click and conversion IP addresses. This one was converted on a cookie, as well as I can see the merchant reference IDs that were passed in from the merchant or maybe my own shopping cart. Once these transactions have been rolled over into our reporting system, this wrench will appear. This wrench allows you to then come in and unapprove a transaction. It's important to note a few items on this report, or any report that you see the ICQA. I and C are very simple, the impressions and the clicks that have been generated. The Q and the A are also important. The Q represents a technical transaction, meaning that the redirect dropped the cookie. The cookie was then consumed by the confirmation pixel and was reported back to LinkTrust. The A is a business decision representing that you are going to pay for a qualified transaction. So if I had 100 transactions that came into the system, I would also automatically, by default on the system, would have 100 approved transactions. But during the course of the day, I find out that 3 of these transactions were fraudulent with bogus information or bogus credit cards or whatever it may be. I don't want to pay on all 100 transactions. So I can then go in, select any of these numbers, and I can reverse or unapprove those 3 transactions. So the system now would still show the gross of 100 qualified transactions, but the 100 would now be 97. There are times where our partners wish to not show this number. You can actually hide this number for each campaign in the rights management section of the campaign. Otherwise, it helps the affiliate to understand, yes, I did do 100. Okay, I understand I did 3 transactions were not qualified or approved. Now that we've gotten the campaign performance and affiliate performance down, you will definitely, at some point, need to use the affiliate commission report. The affiliate commission report will show you the affiliates that are eligible for commission, and you can also break this out to see which offers they were using. Depending on their payout type, you may want to pull up affiliates that are specific to PayPal or Payoneer, PayQuicker, or a wire transfer. When doing that, you can then export any of these files to a CSV file or to QuickBooks. Now that we've gone through the reporting, it's important to understand, how do I test an affiliate's pixel to make sure that the reporting is going to be accurate? There's a specific tool that we use, and unfortunately it's used only on a PC-based machine at the moment. There are some additional tracking systems or additional HTTP debuggers that are available for the Macs and that are listed in our forum section. But in this training, in this webinar today, we're just going to quickly look at the pixel tracking based on using a program called Fiddler. Fiddler is a free piece of software that you can download at fiddler2.com. When downloading this piece of software and installing it to your PC, you'll be able to identify the traffic that is occurring behind the browser, all of the different web calls that are occurring, whether it's an image or a redirect and so forth. So in our forum, we created one that says, how do I use Fiddler to test my pixel? It's quite simple. When using Fiddler, you open Fiddler and you allow it to turn on to be able to track, and you place your affiliate's tracking link that they've given you to test in the browser. When doing that and pressing enter, Fiddler will see what's going on behind and record all of the redirects that are occurring. To give you a basic idea, this is also located in the campaign section, that you have the tracking link will then redirect to the landing page, and then of course the landing page, when they arrive on the confirmation page, will also fire. All of the activity that happens behind the browsers is recorded in Fiddler, allowing you to identify whether or not your affiliate's confirmation pixel is firing, whether or not your affiliate's tracking link is actually redirecting to their LinkTrust tracking link. We hope that this tool, which is free, is available and helpful to you. They also have a Fiddler Quick Start video that you can use to learn Fiddler. So now we've gone through the 5 basic steps. We've created users, we've customized the account, we've gone to the campaign and created the offer into the system, as well as added any creatives needed. We've gone to the affiliate while creating them and adding the campaign for their permission to run. We can now understand our performance of what our affiliates are doing in regard to the specific campaigns they're running. And lastly, we can understand how to use Fiddler for when those problems occur. We hope this webinar has been helpful to you. We hope that you can use these tools to quickly get set up. And if you have any questions or problems, or you'd like further training on anything that we've discussed today, please email us at support@linktrust.com. Thank you very much, and I hope your week is very productive. Thank you.